AI just changed everything. Gen Z won't believe this. Imagine waking up tomorrow to a world where your wildest ideas can be brought to life instantly. Guess what? That world is already here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. AI is no longer just some futuristic concept. It's here, revolutionizing everything from how we create content to how we land our dream jobs. And here's the best part. Gen Z, this tech revolution was practically made for you. If you thought smartphones or social media changed the game, AI is flipping the whole board. Let's explore how AI is redefining creativity, careers, learning, and so much more. Ready? Let's dive in. Think AI is something you only hear about in tech articles or sci-fi movies? Wrong. It's already baked into your everyday life. Every time you scroll through TikTok or binge-watch Netflix, AI is working in the background to recommend content you'll love. Ordering food through apps, searching for the perfect playlist on Spotify, or even using maps to avoid traffic. All of it uses AI. But here's where it gets insane. These are just the tip of the iceberg. The real revolution is in the tools designed for you to use, tools that give you the power to create, learn, and succeed in ways that older generations couldn't even dream of. Let's talk creativity. Ever wished you could create art, write a killer story, or make a movie, but didn't know where to start? AI is your new best friend. Take ChatGPT, for instance. You can brainstorm ideas, write scripts, or even come up with captions that will light up your Instagram posts. Got some visuals in mind? AI tools like DALL can generate beautiful, mind-blowing art from just a description. And platforms like Lumen 5 can turn your essays or scripts into video content in minutes. TikTok creators are already teaming up with AI to edit videos with surreal effects, write catchy captions, or even predict trends before they happen. Imagine unlocking creative superpowers that make your content stand out from the crowd. AI is not just a tool, it's your creative collaborator. What if I told you that you could create a viral music track without a fancy studio or musical skills? AI tools like SoundDraw and Ava are enabling anyone to create beats, remix songs, or even produce full tracks. Now you can turn a quick afternoon idea into the next trending sound, perfect for TikTok or YouTube Shorts. No band? No problem. AI is giving music the DIY treatment, and Gen Z is running with it. Content creators, rejoice. AI is your ticket to creative domination. Whether you're starting a YouTube channel, growing your Instagram following, or becoming a TikTok sensation, AI tools are built to make your life easier. They automate editing, suggest trends, and help you craft viral-worthy content in record time. Take Jasper, an AI that helps write engaging captions, video scripts, and blog posts, or Canva with its AI design assistants. These tools are turning Gen Z creators into digital all-stars, and the best part? They're easy to use, even if you're a beginner. Let's be real, school can suck sometimes. But what if homework didn't have to take hours, and studying got way easier? AI is transforming education for Gen Z by offering instant help. Tools like ChatGPT and Socratic can explain complex math problems or break down your history essay in seconds. Platforms like Duolingo use AI to deliver customized language lessons that are actually fun. Personalized learning? AI is making it possible. Struggling in one subject but acing another? AI tailors your study schedule to help you excel at both. Forget cookie-cutter education. This is learning designed specifically for you. Side hustles are the vibe, and AI is here to help you thrive. Maybe you've dreamt of starting a digital dropshipping store, becoming a copywriter, or selling custom apparel on Etsy. AI tools like Printful and Jasper can help you go from idea to income in record time. From writing product descriptions to automating customer service, AI is the ultimate hustle partner. It frees up time so you can focus on making money moves. No 9 to 5? No problem. AI has your back. Landing your dream job just got a whole lot smarter. AI-powered platforms are helping Gen Z level up their career game. Resume creators like Zeddy don't just format your CV, they optimize it to get noticed in today's competitive job market. AI is also taking the guesswork out of personal branding. Websites like Canva help polish your LinkedIn profile, or create attention-grabbing portfolios that scream professionalism. The best part? These tools are free or super affordable, making them accessible to any young professional. For the gamers out there, this one is for you. AI is paving the way for learning while gaming. Platforms like Code Combat make learning to code a fun, hands-on adventure. AI isn't just about work, it's about leveling up your life while having fun. Combine this with video games that feature smarter AI opponents or adaptive gameplay, and you've got an experience that's both entertaining and educational. AI is revolutionizing industries, but it's also changing the job market. New roles are emerging in AI development, data analytics, and digital innovation. The catch? You don't need to be a coding genius to take advantage. While Gen Z is already tech-savvy, the key to thriving is understanding AI, not necessarily how it's built, but how to use it. Consider this your call to action to grow your AI knowledge and make yourself future-proof. The influencer game is changing too. Meet virtual influencers like Lil Miquela, who are powered entirely by AI. These digital personalities interact with audiences, build followings, and score brand deals. AI-powered avatars are even being used by real influencers to create lifelike, engaging video content. What does this mean for Gen Z creators? The possibilities for storytelling and brand building are endless. By now, you've probably seen at least one viral AI trend, like those digital paintings of yourself or the surreal video edits taking over TikTok. These aren't random. They're powered by incredibly advanced AI programs that are putting creative tools directly into your hands. Gen Z is leading these trends, proving we're the generation most ready to explore and embrace new tech. Every one of these trends is a reminder that the future of creativity belongs to those who dare to experiment. Of course, we have to talk about the challenges too. AI is a double-edged sword. It's shaking up industries, leading to job losses in certain areas while creating new opportunities in others. Then there's the issue of misinformation and digital ethics. But here's the thing. You have the power to shape how AI is used. Stay informed, get involved, and make sure the revolution plays out in our favor. What's most exciting is how AI levels the playing field. You don't need a fancy degree, $1 million budget, or connections to succeed. AI has democratized creativity, learning, and opportunity. Now anyone, from a small town to a big city, has the potential to disrupt the world. All you need is a little curiosity and the right tools. Let this be your wake-up call, Gen Z. AI isn't just the future, it's your now. It's rewriting the rules, giving you the tools to innovate, create, and lead. The only question is, what will you do with it? Open up that app, experiment with that tool, and start preparing for an AI-powered future. Because whether it's content creation, career success, or just having fun, AI is here to amplify your potential. The revolution has begun, and it's made for Gen Z to thrive. So don't blink, don't wait. Dive in, explore, and be the leader this moment needs. Let's go crush the game, one AI-powered idea at a time.